how to create budget on the Monese app. So if you have been overspending trying to keep up with the Jonases, and then now you decide that you would like to create a certain budget for certain things on the Monese app, it is very simple to do so. Basically, all you have to do here is you have to simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Monese application and make sure that you're logged into your account. From here you can simply go to the details section, and once you're there it will say ideally what's the most you'd like to spend. If I select $100 to €100 here, I can confirm it. On the next page, I'll be able to see a couple of budgets that I can set. So from the budget that I set on September, I've spent already €90 out of 100. So in 24 days, I still have around €10 only left for that particular thing. I can overspend it or I can underspend it, whatever else it is. But this is a simple way on how you can create a budget on the Monese app. This way, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically create a budget. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.